of you traveling this week, the weather outside could be more frightful than delightful, and that's whether you're flying through the skies or whether you're going to be driving, because we've got some very wintry weather that's going to be out there. Now, of course, if you like outdoor winter activities, then the timing for this system may be just right. And this is Winter Storm Dorothy. It's going to be moving from the plains into the Midwest, and along the way, it's going to be dropping a lot of snow, bringing some very strong winds too. As we go through our Tuesday watch, it's spreading across the plains into the Midwest. Notice those circles, how closely together they're packed in there. That means some very strong winds really winding up as we get into Wednesday morning. On the front end of this system, we'll have that rain, cold, windy conditions, and then the backside we'll see that snow that blows on through. As far as the amounts that we are looking at, in the purple, generally 5 to 8, but some places 8 to 12. And then we'll see it trace to about 5 inches where we see the shades of blue.